Technology is reshaping our world, whether it's self-driving electric car or use of hydrogen fuel in our planes, whether it's predicting weather data through the different department of meteorology, or whether we talk about artificial intelligence or the drone technology. Believe it or not, the future of education, the future of job is changing very, very fast. Right now, 2/3 of jobs which currently exist probably won't even exist in the next coming 5 to 10 years. That is why it is very, very important that we prepare our child from today itself for the futuristic 21st century skill, so that once they are ready for it, they are skilled enough, they'll be able to contribute directly toward our economy. Even National Education Policy 2020 states that education will only aim at cognitive development, rather it will build character and create a holistic and well-rounded individual equipped with essential 21st century skill. NCFSE also advocates for making skill subject a mandatory part of their curriculum starting from this year itself, where these composite skill labs will be essential for the much needed 21st century skill across various sections by engaging in real world takes and real world projects. Such an environmental preparation for the student will be very, very useful in terms of bringing the industrial standard, the much required skill, and boost their creativity, innovation, vocational, entrepreneurial skill, which is the demand of this particular 21st century.
One of the renowned school, Cohen International, has taken this great initiative where its chairman Sir Mr. Jyoti Ranjan Tripathi and vice chairman Mr. Vikas Bahinipati has created a very beautiful ecosystem by setting up an industrial grade lab right there in their school premise.
This lab will have prototype of all the engineering marvelous products such as wind tunnel, satellite, drones, planes, weather station, and making sure that all the students are getting right kind of quality outcome. Each student for each particular concept is getting an industrial grade kit. So the purpose of this lab, which its name is Aerobay, it's an experiential learning program. The purpose of this experiential learning program is provide student a relatability among theoretical and the practical application. Once student pass out of the program, they get the blockchain based certification, and apart from this, all the student in the 10th standard and above can also apply for the drone pilot license. Remember, this drone pilot license plays a very, very important role. In India, currently we have only 200 registered one, where in the next coming 2 years we'll be requiring more than 2 lakh drone pilots.
Hello everyone, we are the students of Cohen and Krishna, and this is my friend Sarah Akshit. Today we are going to be talking about the satellite in our Aerobay Lab. The satellite is a device that orbits around the celestial body in order to collect information and communication. We have this working model of the satellite in our Aerobay Lab. This satellite runs via Bluetooth. Now I'm going to show you how this satellite runs by some ports. As you can see, the model is working right now. And by some ports, I can even stop it. We are very grateful to have this type of facilities in our school. Thank you.
So, hello everyone. Today I, Samsama Pashchim Kabat of 7th A from Cohen International School is here to explain about the CNC laser from our school. So, here is the CNC laser. It helps us CNC engraving laser. It helps us to engrave things on the balsa wood or etc. Here is one of the examples. The balsa wood on which we have printed the Lord Ganesha, engraved Lord Ganesha and our school's logo and name. So, I want to thank you Cohen International School and Aerobay Lab for providing us with such facilities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Chikita Bhubaneswar of class 8 Cohen International School. Today I am going to say you something about my drone, which I made in our Aerobay Lab. It was very interesting making this drone. I am very happy with our school that our school provided these things in our school. Thank you for giving us these efforts and these things so that we can make this drone. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Bhubaneswar from the International School and I am going to introduce the 3D printer. We have created some models such as this funnel-like shape and a cylindrical shape. By using this 3D printer, not only these models, we can create several models that are useful in the field of aerospace and robotics. And I have got so much of experience in our space lab, and I am so much grateful to have an aerospace lab in our Cohen International School. Thank you.